Yes guys, Mick here. It's been a very long time, but in today's video, thanks to a company called FSDHN, I'm going to be reviewing one of their products, which is a windscreen repair tool. So they actually reached out to me and offered me this product to actually test. So obviously I said yeah. Now I've got the product here. So this is it. So I can see it's got all the tools in there, along with the, I don't even know what to call it, formula solution that actually goes into the windscreen to actually make the crack disappear slash make it better. So yeah, what I'm going to do is obviously go outside, set up the camera, but before I do so, this is what I'm going to be working with. So I don't know if you can see it, but there's a crack right here, and well, not a crack, a chip, sorry, and then another chip right here. So I'm going to use this formula on, well, this tool set on both chips, see what the outcome is. But yeah, let me locate it again. So yeah, I don't think it'll focus. No, it won't focus. But yeah, it's that chip there, and then, as I said, that chip right there. So yeah, we'll just, as I said, I'll set up the camera outside and get straight onto it. Yes guys, so I've just done some reading. So I've opened up the package and read through the instructions. So with this product, it actually caters for both cracks and chips, so it's really good. Now with the package itself, you obviously get the instructions. So on that side, so this side here, you'll see the instructions for cracks, and then this is the instructions for the chips. These little plates here, these are for cracks, so I won't be needing these today at all, so I can just set them aside. I'll be needing the rest of this, however. So basically what you have to do is, so let me just get this out. So this obviously sticks on a window, so you apply this circle and goes just over the crack so you can see it, and then you'll have like this applicator. So obviously that goes over the hole, and then you'll be able to drop the solution in, and then obviously the solution is this stuff here. So yeah, obviously you just, as I said, you'd stick this into that, and then that goes, as I said, over the crack, and then you can put the solution on it, and then it should obviously look a lot better than how it is looking right now. So yeah, if I put my finger there, yeah, you can just about see it. But yeah, it wasn't really annoying me, but as I said, like, this is the perfect opportunity to get rid of this. Also as well, forgot to say, they included like a razor, so this can scrape out anything, any excess. So yeah, it's a really good kit, to be fair. As I said, it does both cracks and chips. But yeah guys, I'll now set you up and then obviously just get started on this. So as you would have seen in the last clip, we were just sitting here, obviously going through the steps. It's now being applied to the crack. So you've got to leave it sitting for, I think it's around 4 to 6 minutes. So I'm just waiting for that process to be complete. And if you have a look there, you can see it from inside the car. So yeah, I think it is getting to work already. Yeah, can't complain. So we just see exactly how it pans out. Yeah guys, I'll come back to you as soon as the waiting period is over. Yes guys, so I've just waited now for it to cure. Now the next step is to actually do the same step again. So just apply some more resin into the chamber and then yeah, just have to wait again. So just currently waiting for that to dry and then I'll be moving on to the next steps. Yeah, so what I've just been doing is now taking it away, or taking it off, sorry. So yeah, I've already took the piece off that actually drives the liquid down to the crack, so you can see that's removable. And then I'm just taking away the chamber. So it's literally just a screw on and screw off job. You probably get, yeah, there you go. You probably get some residue that leaks, but you can use a microfiber cloth to clean that, or tissue like I'm doing. So yeah, just take that away. Yeah, that's lifted away. Suction cups up, which has just been completed. So let me just quickly wipe that. Yeah, it's made a bit of a difference, to be fair. I can't lie. Yeah. You can feel it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get a sheet. But let me just get that from the car first. So yeah, you just need a sheet and some more resin. Now you apply this directly onto the crack / chip, and then you put this sheet over, and then it will stick down, and then it's a 5 to 10 minute curing process. So I'm just going to do this now on camera. So don't know if you can see properly, but just put the solution on top, so that's there, and then stick it down, and that will stay in place. So yeah, as I said, leave it there for 5 to 10 minutes. That should cure, and then yeah, it should be less visible. I can already tell you from the first application, or the first and second application, that you know everything is looking a lot better. But I'll just wait for that to cure and come back. Yes guys, so I've left it a bit longer than 10 minutes just to make sure. So I'm now going to take off the strip. So what I'm just going to do is get the razor that they provided me with. Give me one moment. Perfect. So you're provided with this razor to take off the strip. So if I can get the card off without cutting myself, obviously. There we go. So yeah, just take this off. That's lifted up now. Wow. Seriously, that's actually made a difference. So let me just quickly put this back, this razor, and then I'll take you off the mount and show you guys. Yes guys, so let me just try and locate it there. If it bloody focuses, is where the chip was. It is literally not visible. Let me go back in the car and show you. Oh. This is it here. That is such a massive difference. You know what, when you're inside the car on camera, it doesn't look that much of a difference, but I can definitely tell like most of that is gone and filled in. That is really good, I'm not gonna lie. I still need to do this chip, but I think I'm just gonna do that off camera as it'll be a bit too long. But flipping hell, what a product, and for the price that you're paying as well, you know, you might as well give it a go just in case. With cracks, obviously I don't have nothing to demonstrate it on, so yeah, it's something I couldn't show unfortunately, so I can't comment on how good it would be on those. But on chips, 100%. And that chip was quite deep in. But yeah, that's mad. That is crazy. Cannot complain with that. But yeah, I'd just like to obviously give a shout out to the guys that actually sent this over once again. The link will be in the description. So if you do want to purchase it, it is an Amazon product as well. So it's trustable, reputable. As you can see the product, you can see the results there. So yeah guys, I'll leave it at that. As I said, if you want to purchase it, just head over to the description of the video, click the link, you'll be able to grab it, nice and cheap. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a like, share if you'd like, subscribe if you'd like as well. And guys, I'll catch you in another video.